Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. In today's quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add text highlights and document highlight effects in CapCut. Before we jump in, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on the bell icon so you never miss out on easy CapCut tricks like this. Alright, let's get started. Now let's create the text highlight effect. Step 1. Open CapCut. First, we'll add a background to the timeline. Then, we'll add text on the timeline and type anything you want. I'll also change the font to make it look better. You can experiment with different styles too. Now that our text is ready on the timeline, let's move on to the highlight effect. To do that, add a new text layer and simply type 3 to 4 underscores. You can do that by holding Shift and pressing the minus key. Next, scale this underscore text so that it fits under your main text, and then trim or erase any extra part you don't need. Now, change the color to red or any color you like, and align it properly underneath the main text. Once done, select Text Layer and create a compound clip. To do this, simply select the layer and press Alt plus G. Let's move to the animation part. Select the compound clip, go to the Properties panel, and then choose the Video tab. Now, select the Mask section, add mask, and apply a split mask. Rotate the mask to -90 degrees, drag the line to the start of the highlight, and add a keyframe. Then, move forward on the timeline to where you want the animation to end, and simply drag the mask line to the end of the highlight. And just like that, we've created a simple and clean text highlight effect. Now let's create the document highlight effect. First, add a newspaper image to the timeline. You can easily find one on Google. Once added, I'll resize it to fit nicely on the screen. Next, just like before, I'll add a text layer and type a few underscores. These underscores will act as our highlight. Now, increase the size of the underscore line to match the text line you want to highlight on the document. Trim or erase any extra part that goes beyond the line. After that, make sure the length of the text layer matches the document layer, so everything stays in sync. Now we'll select only the underscore text layer and press Alt plus G to create a compound clip. Just like we did before, go to the Video tab, open the Mask section, and apply a split mask. Rotate the mask to -90 degrees, position it at the start of the highlight, and add a keyframe. Then move forward in the timeline and drag the mask line to the end of the highlight. This will animate the effect. But right now, the highlight may be covering the newspaper text. To fix that, select the compound clip, go to the Video tab, and under the Basic section, scroll down to Blend. Here, change the blending mode from default to multiply. And now your document text will become visible through the highlight. And that's it. You've successfully created the document highlight effect in CapCut. And that's it for today's tutorial. Now you know how to create both text highlight and document highlight effects in CapCut. These simple tricks can really level up your videos, whether you're making tutorials, reels, or educational content. I highly recommend you practice these effects and play around with different fonts, colors, and animations to find what works best for your style. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on more CapCut tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.